true 3D display with the glasses. Get a peek over his shoulder.
Information, one to your left eye, one to your right. Allow you to get that information. Allow you to read your glasses or... This is
Great technology.
Yeah, you're in the right spot there. So it's.
I was going to tell you, close that to you.
Global e-training for all the different types of products that you use, from anything and everything from AutoCAD. They'll do the training and also certification. Broadcasting live around the world.
Hi, everybody.
If you know another language, say hello.
Bonjour.
Finally. That's all we get is hola. But you definitely need training, and these guys are the guys you go to, and it's all generated on an online course.
So then it gives you a lot of flexibility to scale.
What else we got? MSI. There's facility management software. And here's Advanced 2000s. It's all cloud-based, augmented reality, and virtual reality all in one. So that's smart. All in the cloud. You don't want to store anything on your own system. It's become so cheap, it's ridiculous. That's amazing. It's interactive art. I'm seeing prices for computer-generated art go up and up and up.
Connection to all that, even just the shapes of them, they get better and better.
I remember this company, Intel, is great systems, great software. 35 years with IBM software before I retired. It's still one of the premier systems around. Make sure you check it out because I give the okay.
I'm trying to find, one.
Everyone is trying on these massive. And of course, I knew there had to be somebody that knew how to draw behind it all. She's taking some notes about the impact of cloud on your business, and she's drawing them out. to you in the studio, JT Ippolito, Sync Media Network.